Hi, it's Debbie, and today, for teen time, we are going to make microwave chocolate lava cakes. We're going to start off with a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. And then 2 tablespoons of sugar. There's 1. 2 tablespoons of sugar and a teaspoon of baking powder is in there. And then we've got to do 2 tablespoons of baking cocoa. There's 1. Try to level it off as much as you can. Doesn't have to be exact, but you don't want to overpower. And then we're going to do 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to stir that up a bit. And then you're going to add kind of your wet ingredients. So we've got 2 tablespoons of oil. There's 1. There's our second. 2 tablespoons of milk. So there's 1 tablespoon. And there's the second. We're using almond milk today. You can use regular milk. You can also use the lactate if you're lactose intolerant. So now we're going to stir that up. And then it says to add a chocolate truffle. I don't have a chocolate truffle. I'm not sure that you guys might have it at home. But most of us have a peanut butter cup, a Hershey bar, something like that. So we're gonna just kind of stick that down in the middle. And then we're going to microwave it for 70 seconds. Let's go. It comes out, looks like a soft cake. Now, the best part is if you want any fruit on top, like cherry filling, you can add ice cream, whipped cream. We're not going to add anything to ours because we're going to let the imagination run wild. Hope you enjoy it. If you like this video, click on the like, subscribe to our YouTube page, and enjoy your lava cake. Bye.
Sorry to be a pain. Is that tablespoon or teaspoon?
What? You need to stop that because I'm not sure what I just dumped in.